Do you know how the front cover of a car is produced? This is the Hanzhuang workshop of FAW Volkswagen. Let's decipher the whole process of manufacturing the front cover of the car today. This is the inner panel of the front cover. It can also be seen as the skeleton of the front cover. The first thing to do is to apply glue to the inner panel of the front cover. The robot will automatically grab the inner plate of the front cover and complete the gluing operation. These are KUKA robots from Germany. Precision and stability are very high. The robot will cooperate with the glue gun to apply red reinforcing glue. The position where the reinforcement glue is applied will weld the front cover reinforcement plate. The position where the front cover reinforcement plate is installed is also the position where the front cover corner chain and the front cover lock are installed. The red reinforcement glue can make the front cover reinforcement plate connect more firmly with the front cover inner plate. After applying the reinforced glue, it is the welded reinforced version. Robot number 1 will place the front cover inner plate on the temporary placement table. Then, the number 2 robot will transfer the inner plate of the front cover to the placement station of the front cover reinforcement plate. At this time, the operator will put on the reinforcing plate in the area of the front cover and 2 reinforcing plates in the anklet part of the front cover. And the robot puts down the furniture and transfer the front cover inner plate to the welding table. The function of the welding table is to weld the front cover reinforcement plate just placed. Then there will be 2 welding robots to perform preliminary welding and fixing of the front cover reinforcement plate. The welding method uses spot welding. Spot welding is the use of a columnar motor to pass current between 2 steel plates, using the principle of resistance heat to melt steel plates. Fuse 2 steel plates together to form solder joints. Due to the large number of parts that need to be welded, some parts are out of reach. It is necessary to use different spot welding equipment several times to complete the welding fixation of the entire front cover enhanced version. I won't show you too much here. After the welding is completed, apply shock absorber to the inner plate of the front cover because the outer plate of the front cover is a surface covering key. The front cover inner plate cannot be connected by welding. Therefore, the inner plate of the front cover and the outer plate of the front cover will be pressed together except for the edge. The rest is to stick and fix it with shock absorber. Therefore, the front cover outer plate is supported and the front cover outer plate is prevented from vibrating. In order to ensure a uniform production rhythm, another robot will apply the remaining shock absorber. It won't be displayed here. After applying the shock absorber, it will be put into the equipment initially combined with the outer plate of the front cover, then ready to install the front cover outer panel. The operator also places the front cover outer panel on the operating table. The remaining gluing and pressing work is also done automatically by the equipment. After the robot grabs the outer panel of the front cover, it will apply a circle of sealant to the edge of the front cover. In this way, the outer plate of the front cover and the inner plate can play a sealing role after being pressed together. This prevents rainwater from entering the front cover edge and causing rust. Then the front cover outer plate is combined with the inner plate. After placing the front cover outer plate, the front cover inner plate will be placed. The front cover outer and inner panels will be aligned and initially fixed here. Then the robot will transfer the initially bonded front cover to the front cover pressing device for pressing. The front cover that has been pressed will be removed before pressing. Then put on the front cover that needs to be pressed. The next step is to press the front cover outer plate and the front cover inner plate together by the front cover nuclear pressing equipment. The nuked front cover will undergo the final welding work. The spot welding robot will weld 8 small solder joints on the edge of the plate bar, pressed together with the front cover for refixing. Even if the front cover is made here. Next, the operator will check the front cover. After the inspection is completed, it can be installed on the rack and loaded to the assembly line. Follow me to show you about cars. The whole production process